In it. What? Who's shooting? Nah, play back. Cause bro, 3 niggas hopped out. First, I guess they already knew he was sitting or whatever. They all got Glickers on them, obviously. This in Dallas. Damn! That big ass truck ain't do no damage. They 4 cop car is done though. Like no cap, no kid. This happened a couple days ago. This happened like 6 days ago. No way, Sway. They shooting at the cops though? Ain't no way they shooting at the cops, bro. I just heard 4 or 5 shots. They stopped running, they gonna start running again? Like what?